Hello my friends, this is Qing Hong here. Today I want to show you how to make a wobbly watercolor painting perfectly flat again. So here is a painting I just painted these days, and it got really wavy after I put a lot of water on it. So what you do is actually really simple. Just turn it back and evenly cover the back with water. So you want to make the paper moist, but not oversaturated in the way that water would flow off the paper. So just keep it moist and evenly covered with water. So like this, that's good. And then I will put another board just on top of the paper, and then put some heavy weight on top of this board to keep the paper down. And then we will just wait for 24 hours normally. So let's just be patient and let me tell you what's happening on the farm. So the biggest thing right now is we are having baby bunnies, and they are just so adorable. It is not easy to raise baby bunnies actually, so we've had a lot of trials, but finally we have this one that's really working, so we're happy. Okay, now it's about time to go back to the studio and check on our paper and see how it goes. Okay, now I just move off these books and see. So look, it's very flat, just like new. So it works beautifully, this method. And here is what it looks like when the painting is framed. Okay, well, I hope this little tip helped you, and we'll see you again soon. Happy painting!